Hello, everyone. Thanks so much for dropping by. I hope you're all doing awesome. I appreciate you checking out this video on YouTube, which is a website. So, naturally, today's video is what's a website? You like that segue? Pretty good, huh? So, today I'm going to break down exactly what a website is. I'll show you how to configure one to get you thinking about it, and we'll see where things go. Let's make some magic happen. In preparation for this video, I asked some friends and family members, what is a website? Some answers I got were a place you go, like duckduckgo.com. An HTML mess, probably my favorite one. A domain or location for information. A detailed online resource for information about a person, place, or thing. So these are all good answers. But my answer would differ slightly. I'd give a more technical answer. So, a website is a service running on a computer which is connected to the internet. Information can be hosted via this service, and an administrator of said service can determine the level of access by users. Let me break that down even more. A service is just a program that's running on a computer for some purpose. In this case, let's say the service is an Apache web server built with the purpose of generating an example website. So I'll make on the internet a server and explain what I'm doing as I'm doing it. All right, I am going to cruise through this in a chop cut style edit so we can try and stay under that golden 5-minute mark for this video. First things first, I'm going to spin up a cloud virtual machine. And all that is just a computer hosted by a bigger, more powerful computer. Going to do Ubuntu, nothing fancy. I'm just going to use it for this video. I'm just going to do a password. Perfect. I'm going to create it. So here is the Ubuntu VM. We have an IP address. So because we're trying to figure out what is a website, I'm going to first try and see if I can just get there with this IP address. And there's nothing there. Okay. So I can't access it in a web browser, and I need to set up a web server service. Let's use Apache 2. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get a remote connection to the IP address of our virtual machine, 157.245.932.41. It's going to ask us for a password. And there we are. We are connected to the machine remotely. So what I'll do now is I'll start the service, Apache 2. There we go. So here we are. Now we've got it installed. We'll type in the IP address of our web server again. And there we are, an example page for an Apache web server. So like I said, a website is a service running on a computer which is connected to the internet. To further demonstrate this, I'll stop the Apache server. So I'll run service Apache 2 stop. Okay, that executed. Now that we've stopped the service, when we try and navigate to the site again, abracadabra, it is a website no more. I hope this flipped on a few light bulbs and got some people curious. Let me leave you with this. If a website is a service on a computer connected to the internet, can we interact with that computer in other ways? Until next time, have a magical day.